A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You love your brother and sister them? You love them so tell you wouldn't dead for them? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today we're going to read from the first letter from John, chapter 3, from verse 11 to verse 24. This are the message we hear from the start. We feel love one another. We don't fit turn like Cain, where did make the devil rule him and make him go kill off him brother. And what make you think him kill him brother? Cause him brother do it right. And Cain, him do wickedness. My brother, no bother frighten if the world hate to know. We know say we not dead no more. I live we start live you know. We know this cause we love other people. All who no love them brother and sister, them dead same way. Anybody we hate them brother or sister or a murderer, and we know say no murderer can't live forever with God. And so we come to know real love, cause Jesus dead for we. And the same way, we fi make up our mind for dead for your brother and sister them. If nobody see him brother or sister really short or something and no help them, even though he coulda help them, how that somebody there I go say God love in him heart? Me pickney, we fi make sure so when we say we love, we really love for true. And that it show in a way we do, and I know just so word. Say how we love we brother and sister. And so we know for sure. Say we have the real message. So we can turn up in front of God and we can't change no bad way. Even if we heart make we feel like say God right we off. And no one have nothing to do with we. We know say God bigger than we heart. And he know everything. So, my friend, if we feel in our heart, say God no right we have, then we can turn up in front of God and we conscience nah go bad way. And anything we ask God for, in give we. Cause we do what he say we fi do, and we do the sitting them where we know make him happy. This our God say we fi do. We fi believe in a Jesus Christ, in boy pitney, and we fi love with one another too. All who do what God said them fi do, them close with God, and God close with them. And at the spirit where God give we, make we know for sure, say God close with we. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.